So the question is how much value is it if an IT company knows the AEC industry for you? And the quick answer is a whole heck of a lot. I mean, tons, crap load, no question about it. And the easiest way, an easy example of this is the experience they have with your softwares. Even though your IT company is not your developer and is not building out software, they have to know how things connect. So if there's a configuration problem with Bluebeam or AutoCAD or Procore, it would be a lot easier for somebody that's seen the software, used the software, found issues in the software, fixed issues in the software over time with other clients that they have than it would be somebody that's just more of a generalist that kind of does stuff for healthcare, does stuff for lawyers. I mean, these softwares are so vastly different that the problem isn't always the same, and the little fixes here and there are just knowledge because you're in the industry essentially, and you're building out that knowledge as you go. And that's why it's so important to have somebody that really knows the software they're using, even if for us it we're not actually developing it, not changing it in that way, but being able to configure it and making sure that it's working properly, it's huge. Also, strategy wise, that you want to do things and you want to move the company in certain places. For us, being able to see, okay, well, this is what happens with construction companies when they want to go to the cloud. This is what happens with engineers want to go to the cloud. This is what happens when architects go to the cloud, right? Knowing the before and after and seeing the struggles in real time in your specific industry is so valuable that it blows my mind when people are like, "Oh, it's technology is technology." It's not that. It's a really really huge value when you get somebody that's niche down into your industry.